In 2025, Trio Mobil reimagined customer experience from the ground up. Welcome to our brand new Customer Experience Center, a space where you can explore our solutions hands-on and experience the technologies shaping the future. Here we bring to life smart operations management, safety technologies, and data-driven business models through fully interactive experiences. Every detail of this space was designed with our customers in mind, because technology matters only when it creates real, meaningful impact. Today, we are proud to welcome our valued partners and share this meaningful journey with them. Each customer who joins us inspires our vision and strengthens the path we walk together toward a smarter, more connected future. As we continue to evolve, your insights and expectations guide the innovations we pursue. Our solutions are shaped by real data, deep field experience, and a commitment to ongoing improvement, aimed at delivering measurable value across different environments. Thank you for your trust, your collaboration, and for motivating us to push boundaries, challenge assumptions, and create meaningful impact every single day. The Trio Mobil Customer Experience Center. We're ready to shape the future together.